How to increase Instagram followers. Increasing Instagram followers involves a combination of strategies that focus on engaging content, building a community, and promoting your account. Here are some effective tips to help you grow your Instagram following. Post high-quality content. Share visually appealing and compelling content that resonates with your target audience. Use high-resolution photos, creative graphics, and videos to capture attention. Be consistent. Post regularly to keep your followers engaged. Create a content schedule and stick to it, so your audience knows when to expect new posts. Know your audience. Understand your target audience's interests and preferences. Tailor your content to cater to their needs, aspirations, and pain points. Use hashtags wisely. Hashtags are essential for reaching a broader audience. Research relevant and trending hashtags, but don't overdo it. Aim for a mix of popular and niche hashtags to maximize visibility. Interact with your audience. Respond to comments and direct messages promptly. Engage with your followers by asking questions, running polls, and encouraging discussions. Collaborate with others. Partner with influencers or accounts in your niche. Cross-promotions can introduce your profile to a new and interested audience. Host giveaways and contests. Organize giveaways or contests that require users to follow your account and tag their friends. This can create a buzz around your profile and attract more followers.